Good morning. My name is Kantinan Ngeun Sombat. Currently I work at Ministry of Labor in Thailand, Labor Officer. My main responsibility is review and processing work permit of skilled foreign workers. In my daily work, I carefully check documents and information. I make sure everything follow labor regulation. Because of this, I already try be daily oriented and analytical in my work. I also collaborate with my colleagues and other departments. Furthermore, communication is very important in my job. Another important skill in my work is problem solving. Sometimes applicants may have missing documents, so I carefully review the case and find the best solution. As a result, the process can continue smoothly. I term of my working style. I consider myself an adaptable person. I also have strong interpersonal skills. This helps me communicate with colleagues and applicants from different backgrounds. Another skill I use is multitasking. I may review documents, answer questions, and coordinate with different departments in one day. Through my work, I believe I contribute to the success of organization. My role helps the labor system operate smoothly. I am proud to be part of the Ministry of Labor. I always try to improve my skill and do my best in my job. That's a brief introduction about myself. Thank you for listening.